Welcome to the Stay Awesome Van Life channel. We have everything van life with over 200 episodes to choose from everything from self-builds, upgrades, camping, RV shows, locations, secret spots, secret hacks and security. You'll learn everything on this channel that you need to know if you're thinking about starting van life, you're already doing van life, or you want to watch a lot of van life content. There's 200 videos here and they're all different and they've all got a little bit of a quirky edge to them. So if you want to learn to keep warm, stay cool, or just enjoy the road in safety, in harmony with your fellow van lifers, well, this might be your one-stop channel for the moment. Stay awesome, subscribe, and let's see you on the road. Enjoy the episodes.